Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you how to work out the magnitude and directions of a resultant vector. Of course, there is a PDF file version on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, so we have vector u and vector v. The question is we need to find out the magnitude and the directions of the resultant of u plus v. So let me just write this here. So let's say vector u is 2i minus 3j. And then vector v, let me just write underneath here. Vector v is negative I plus j. So when we add the vector together, so vector u plus vector v, so we just add the I components together and the j component we add together. So for I components, so we just add these two. So 2i minus I will give me 1i. So let me just write this down, I. So now for j components, so negative 3 plus 1, so which is negative 2. So that means minus 2j. So therefore, the magnitude of this, which is using the Pythagoras theorem. So u plus v magnitude will give me, so no coefficient in front of I, that means 1. Okay, so 1 square plus 2 square, which is used Pythagoras theorem. Negative 2 square is 2 square anyway, so I just write 2 square and square root. So that will give me 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, so 1 plus 4 is 5. So the magnitude is square root of 5. So now to work out the directions, so first of all, we need to identify which quadrant is the resultant vector is, okay? And the resultant vector is this one here. So that is I minus 2j. So that is I component is positive and j is negative. So this means that on the fourth quadrant. So let me just quickly draw it out. So I minus 2j, just roughly, okay? So this is 1, this is negative 2. This x and y. So therefore, to find the directions, so the directions is always start from the positive x-axis and it goes anti-clockwise, okay? So this is the directions. So therefore, to find out the directions, so what I do, I find this reference angle here, that is angle theta, and I use 360 degrees minus the angle theta, okay? That will give us the directions of the vector. So this here is 2 units and this is 1 unit. So therefore, we use SOHCAHTOA for triangle. So opposite over adjacent, because we have opposite here and then adjacent here. So it's 10. So we just go 10 of theta is opposite, which is 2 over adjacent, which is 1. So therefore, theta is equal to 10. Inverse of 2 over 1 is 2. So now I just put that on a calculator. So just go shift 10, 2. That is 63 degrees and 26 minutes, okay? So theta equal 63 degrees and 26 minutes. To work out the directions, of course, we use 360 minus that angle theta. So 360 minus 63 degrees and 26 minutes. That will give me, so I just go 360 minus the answer, DMS button. So that is 296 degrees and 34 minutes, okay? Because 54 seconds, so close to a minute. So 296 degrees, 34 minutes. 296 degrees and 54 minutes. So therefore, the magnitude is square root of 5 and is, there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to work out P plus Q first, okay? So let me just write this down. Vector P is equal to 2i plus 3j. And vector Q is equal to negative 5i minus 5j. So now we just add them up. So to add together, we add the I component together. So that is 2 plus negative 5. That means 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So P plus Q is equal to negative 3i. And then for the J component, which is at 3 plus negative 5. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So that is minus 2j. So that is the resultant vector, that is P plus Q. And to work out the magnitude, we just use Pythagoras theorem. So we just go P plus Q magnitude is equal to, so we just go negative 3 square. So that is 3 square plus the negative 2 square. So it's the same as 2 square, okay? And then we square root of that. So 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, so 9 plus 4 is 13. So the answer is square root of 13. Now we need to work out the directions of the resultant vector. So to work out the directions, so we need to know which quadrant is the resultant vector is, okay? So let me just quickly draw a diagram. So the resultant vector is negative 3i minus 2j. So this is the resultant vector. So that is negative 3 there, and then this is negative 2. This is y, this is x. Now to work out the directions, so the direction is always start from positive x-axis and it goes anti-clockwise. So this is the directions. Now to do this, what we need to do is we just find the reference angle here. Let me clear this first. So this angle theta. And then we go 180 plus that, okay? So let me just construct a right angle triangle here. So this is 3 units, this is 2 units. So therefore, the reference angle is opposite over adjacent. So which is tan of theta is opposite, which is 2 over 3. And theta is equal to tan inverse of that. So 2 over 3. And now I just put that on a calculator. So I just go inverse tan of 2/3. And press the bubble button. So therefore, 33 degrees and 41 minutes, okay? So 33 degrees and 41 minutes. That's not the direction, that's just the reference angle. So the directions is all the ways from the positive x-axis anti-clockwise to here, okay? So we go 180, we add the angle theta. So let me just write this down. So 180, we add 33 degrees and 41 minutes. That will give me, so just go 180 degrees plus the answer and DMS button. So there you go. So the direction is 213 degrees and 41 minutes. So therefore, the magnitude square root of 13, and the direction is 213 degrees and 41 minutes. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.